Hello everyone, in this video we will be learning about CREO exercise 3 which is called as 3D rip. So in this case, I'll explain you how to draw this 3D rip. Okay. So when you look at this one, um, you can draw it as two parts, one till here one part and here one part. And if you want to draw the bottom part, so you have to select the top view and you have to draw this distance. So this will become as 66 and this will become, you have to calculate this distance. So for calculating this distance, so it is 12 plus 18. So 12 plus 18 it is 30 and again you will add one more 12. So 30 plus 12 again it will become as 42. So this distance is 42. So you will be taking 42 and I'll give a height of 12. I will be giving a height of 12. Then this shape is complete. Then I'll give the chamfering in this case so that it will be removed in this direction. So remove here and again I'll give one more chamfer here so that it will be removed. And on this case, this distance is 12. So with the same distance, so I will create one more rectangle 12 and I need to calculate the distance. It is 60 minus 12. So this distance comes as 48. So I need to extrude to a height of 48. This background I need to extrude to a height of 48 so that this will be completed and I have to give a round shape here. So already I know that this distance is 42. The radius will become as 21. The radius will become as 21. So the same thing I will be generating here. So this will become as it will be completed. And again, this height from bottom, it is 42. Height is 42. So total is 48. So from here to here, we got 48. So at a certain height, you have to draw a rectangle. You have to draw a triangle. You have to draw a triangle, and you need to extrude this both the sides so that this will complete. And this extrude is 12. This extrude is 12, and you have to set the height is 42 so that it will be completed. So that this exercise will be completed. It is a very small exercise. It takes very less time to complete it. So I'm erasing all things so that we can see the. Okay. So I'm sharing the PTC CREO Parametric 3.0 version. So we are doing after installing CREO software, click on Start, then All Programs, then click on PTC CREO folder. In that, select PTC CREO Parametric 3.0. So that is the version. So based on the version, latest version is 6.2. So you can select those things. Click on New, and it should be a part and solid. And directly give the name. The name here comes as RIP. So name is comes as rip. Remove use default template. So what is the advantage of removing use default template is default units are in inches, and if you remove the default template, then you can select your units as mm. So we will be removing use default template. I'll click OK. So that I will be selecting mm as part solid and I'll be clicking OK. You can write your model name, who is modeling, and description of the component. You can give here parameters, so that we can see the top view, front view and side view after clicking OK. It is still loading. So all the three axes you can see, front view, top view also. So I'll select the top view so that from the bottom I am generating. I click on extrude directly so that it is easy for me. So extrude, it will directly take you to the sketch. So click on sketch view, and here I will be drawing a rectangle, center rectangle. So I'll be selecting this center rectangle and I'm placing this one. And I'll click on escape and escape 2 times. I have to click on escape so that I can generate this one. and this distance comes as 66, enter, and this distance comes as 60, enter. So that one is 66, one is 60, click on OK. So directly it will convert to extrude and the height is 12. And then directly give the height is 12, click OK, and click on the green tick so that it will be generated. You can see your object here. Okay, you can see this object here. So this is 66, 66, oh no. So I click on extrude section, right click and edit definition. So this distance is 42. So I'll maintain it as 42. So that this is what I require. I click on OK. So it regenerate. So this is the face what I require. I click on chamfer. I'll select the two edges. I'll click on control button and select this edge and this edge. So I'll select the value as 12 as per the figure. So 12 so that I'll get the chamfer in here. I'll click on OK. So bottom face is complete. Then I'll go for the top face. I'll select make sure that it should be in dark green color. Make sure that it should be in dark green color and then click on extrude directly. Click on extrude directly and you have to create a rectangle. So for this one I need references. I'll click on sketch view. So on this one I'll be clicking on references. So this is my reference, this is one more reference and this is one more reference. I'll click on rectangle and corner rectangle. So from this corner you can generate a rectangle. So width is same. I'll click on escape and escape. So for this one and this width comes as 12. Okay, I'll click on OK so that I'll get the extrude. And the height is I calculated totally 60. From bottom it is 60. 60 minus we are making it as, so 60 minus 12, so it comes as 48. So we'll be making it as 48. So I'll be making it as 48. So this is the height required. So I'll make it as, so I'll make it as 48 and enter so that this is the one I generate. So this is one I generate. I click on video so that I can see this one. So the height comes as 48 in this case, from this case. So this is my shape I required. So I use the round command. I select the round and I'm selecting this edge and again I'll click on control and I'll select this edge. So here I'll be giving the value as the width is 42, so it comes as radius comes as 21. And radius 21 is already mentioned in the problem. So click on OK. So I'll click on this face. So next I'll be clicking on this what is the plane. I'll select this plane. I'll click on extrude and I'll click on sketch here. So that this is what I'll be getting. Then click on references. I want references here this side. I want reference this side. I want reference this side. I'll click on close. Then I'll click on line chain. I'll select this point, this point, this point, and joining point here. Okay. I click on escape and one more time escape so that two times I click on escape. Here the height comes as 42. So I'll click enter and I'll click on Okay, so that already it is the extrude command, so it will be coming here. So from this sketch, I'm cutting this side. If I flip this side, it is coming other side. If I want to have equal division, then I'll click on this extrude. I'll go on divide equally, so that it will divide equally. The value comes as 12, so I'll click on 12 and enter. This is the one I'm getting. I'll click on OK. This is what I need it as extrude. Okay, so click on zoom out. Make it as correct orientation. Whatever they mentioned in the orientation, make the correct orientation and remove these planes. Okay, and I'll remove CSY. Okay, so this is what I require. They required 3D and I need to save it as annotation, so I'll click on annotations. I'll select the complete object. So I select the object. I'll click on control. I'll select the other things whatever I require. So complete object should have this green color line. Then I click on show annotations. I click on show annotations so that all the annotations I can see in this case. So these are all the annotations. I'll select all. I click OK so that I can drag it and place it in the center. So whatever the dimensions are there, you can drag it and place it in the center. And any other dimensions, this one, this dimension, dimension. This dimension is okay. Not this dimension. So select this dimension. Drag and paste. Okay. So this is the radius dimension. So I can keep the radius. Okay. So this is my orientation. This is my orientation. Then I have to save it as PDF. So rather than I click on File, Save As, save a copy. And here in the documents I will be saving it as a review. The type will save it as .prt default file format. I don't want default file format, so I will be clicking on PDF and I'll select OK. So that a PDF is generated, so it will ask the A4 size, portrait, and all this thing. Resolution is asked, so you want more quality, so click on resolution and change to 600 dpi and click on OK. So that after saving it, the file, it will open in the PDF viewer. So most of the people will use Adobe Reader, so it will open in the Adobe Reader so that completion. Then the PDF viewer will open and it will be saved in this file format. I hope you all have understood